southeast and north central Texas until 10 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Plano, McKinney, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Wiley, Sac City, Murphy, Prosper, Royce City, Anna, Fairview, Princeton, Saline, Lucas, Parker, Farmersville, Van Alstyne, Lowry Crossing, and Melissa. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A tornado